Hello, dear kids. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Robert Mendoza, and in this video, I will show you how to round decimal numbers. Here we go. Rounding to the nearest 10. Look at this example, 34 and 87 hundredths or 34.87. The first thing you need to know is that a decimal number is divided in two parts, okay? Before the decimal point, we have the whole number, and after the decimal point, we have the decimal part. So the number 4 is in the ones place. The neighbor is the number 8. The neighbor is a number to the right, okay? And the rule says more than 5 round up plus 1. It means that number 4 will be rounded up to 5. So the new rounded number is 35. So simple, so easy. Let's see another example. Rounding to the nearest tens. So imagine you have the same number, 34.87. And remember, this number is divided into parts, whole numbers and decimal part. The number in the tens place is the first number after the decimal point. Remember this, okay? Number 8 is in the tens place. The neighbor number is number 7. So remember the rule says more than 5 round up plus 1. It means that the new rounded number will be 34.9. Okay? The number 8 is rounded to 9. Why? Because the neighbor is 7, which is more than 5. Let's see the last example. Rounding to the nearest hundredths. So imagine you have this number 34.871. So the number in the hundredths place is the second number after the decimal point. This is the decimal point, so the second number is in the hundredths place is number 7. The neighbor number is number 1, and the rule says less than 5 stays the same. If the neighbor number is less than 5, the number 7 or the number that you want to round will stay just the same. So this number will be 34.87. The 7 stays the same. So kids, this is all for this video, and we will continue practicing in class about how to round decimal numbers. Bye bye. See you. Goodbye.